YouTube? I am back once again with another video. You know, today's video, I'm just out and about. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all subscribe to my channel. I'm at 291K subscribers, and I hope y'all support my creator code right here. You put it right here on the screen. So I'm just exploring, and yeah. First, let me flip this camera around so y'all can see, and hope y'all support my FORTNITE creator code right here. 291K subscribers on YouTube. Yep. So it's the water right here. It's flowers right here. Yep. Yep. So first I gotta go somewhere, and let's see. There's like other people like taking pictures of the water and the sea. Like I ain't never really been down here before. Set this bike right here. Birds and water. This is actually pretty nice down here though. It's the water right here. Yep. So there's like people walking, and you know, like walking their dogs and whatever. It's pretty nice down here. So let me just do like a little cinematic so y'all can enjoy the video. All right, so I hope y'all enjoy that little clip. You already know. You know, I got the goodest camera. You already know. You see, got the goodest camera. You already know. Not trying to be flexing or anything, but yeah, it's pretty windy out here. So I hope y'all go to my FORTNITE creator code and use it. Please. Actually, oh. Something happened. But yeah, it's just so windy out here. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind. There's some very nice flowers over here. Let me flip this camera around. Hope y'all subscribed. The flowers. Bright and yellow right here. It's the birds. like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to your friends, family, and uncle. So I'll probably post more clips. You already know. I mean, I'm just out and about. Look at these. That's a bee. Not a bee, but a fly. Yep, it's actually pretty nice down here. Look at this. Like, I ain't never been down here before either. Like, wow. Look at that. There's, it's so nice. It's beautiful down here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be around this area though, too. But I hope y'all like, comment. I keep saying it. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to your friends, family, uncle. Yep. So yeah. So right now, I'm just out. Just want to get out the house. It's too boring in there. So, and also, I'm posting another video. Let me put the camera around. Yeah, oh, it's so windy out here. So also, I'm posting another video of, you know, a room tour. And I'm very excited for y'all to see this video. So I ordered a bed frame, and a dresser, and some other stuff too. Yep. So right now my mattress is kind of like on the floor. You already know. And also my setup for my TV. Yeah, I had bought a TV, and it's not really in the right whatchamacallit, setup or whatever. Yep. So I hope y'all enjoyed my little video. So I hope I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Peace.